Hey guys, some of you asked for an update on that weird Echeveria pulidonis monstrose thing I got back in April. It looked like a lithops growing out of an Echeveria, or just two different plants in one pot. But this is what's left. I made a really bad decision. I saw some mealybugs on the rosette, like maybe back in like June. And I grabbed the nearest thing I could find, which was my mosquito repellent, which I love. But I sprayed it on the rosette, I sprayed it on the mealybugs, and like kind of forgot about it. And the next day I came back and looked, and the big rosette had turned white. So I was like, oh no, I shouldn't have done that. And so I chopped it, and in an effort to save the weird little leaf, monstrose leaf, mutant. So that's still going, even though it's starting to look a little worn out. But it did put out a little offset. So at least we've got that going on. All right, that's the update. Thanks for watching.